View Cafe where we're gonna do the sky cycle. All geared up? Siyempre, kailangan mo munang akyatin to bago maka... Ay! Tinatamad ako. This is the lover's bell. Siyempre, dapat may lover ka. Ito ang aking lover. Okay ka ba? Ayaw niya talaga. Sorry ah. This is the Mayumi wishing well. Wow, very nice. Gumamela. There's white, there's red, and there's one pink over there. Very pretty. Just like me. Yeah. The butterfly garden.
Hello.
Hello. Butterfly garden. There's may paru-paru. Napakaganda ng mga flowers here. Okay.
No, ikaw po yung hawak.
Ako ba? Sige, pwede.
Hindi pa, video po lang slow mo.
Hindi pa nangangagat?
Hindi pa.
Alright, alright.
Ito.
Oh, this is so pretty. Hello, baby.
Paano siya?
Hello, hello.
Paano yung kamera niya?
Dad, picture mo nga ako.
Picture.
Hey. There. Okay, and so, we're gonna let it go.
Gamitan mo ng slow mo po.
Sige, okay lang ako. Naka-video naman ako eh.
Then go.
Okay, let's go.
Hindot kayo ito.
Woo! Goodbye, butterfly. The aviary. There's the blue-crowned pigeon. Ayun siya. Hello, pigeon. The Nicobar pigeon. The yellow ringneck lovebirds. There's chattering lory. Golden pheasant. Manok, manok. The golden pheasant. The silver pheasant. So we are here at I Love Eden sign of Eden Nature Park in Davao. We are highly recommending this place to couples, to families, to friends. Napakaganda nitong lugar na to. Honestly, I don't like this!
Okay, stop mo na, ma'am. Stop na.
It's my birthday!
Happy birthday, ma'am!
Happy birthday!
Hey, ma'am.
My
Thumbs up, ma'am.
45th birthday, kuya!
Thumbs up, ma'am.
Ah, bata pa ma'am.
Bata pa!
Parang 33 lang, mama.
Ayaw, may tasan ko, may
Isa lang, ma'am. Isa lang. Isa
I
lang.
don't like.
Isa lang, ma'am. Yan. Tingin dito. Okay, solo, sir. Okay. Thumbs up ulit, sir. Asa kamay. Okay.
Make him up, queen!
So, I'm fairly brave.
Yeah.
But this one is a very nice experience for my 45th birthday. It's fun. Pero, conquer your fear.
Balls even with pink.
Yeah. Ayun.
Yes, get it. Full.
Oy, oy, oy. Woo! There you go. It's big. My first ever catch. My first ever catch. Wow! Ang laki! Tilapia at its finest. Here at Eden Nature Park. So, turn na ni tatay. Ayun na, meron na, meron na.
Oh, mas malaki sir.
Okay, ang liit. Hey! Wow, catch ni tatay oh. Wow. Bigger yung akin ha.
Siyempre.
Tumatalon pa, buhay pa sila. 0.9, magkano yan kuya? 0.9. 300 lang, ano? Gawin mo ng 300 na lang. Para ano, tapos, you can have it cooked. Ayan, pinaputok, 54. Deep fried, per gram yan.
Yes.
Grilled. Paksiw.
315 kasi
Grilled.
90 ano? 0.9.
Deep fried, ginataan. Okay.